Hi, this is Lindsay from The Homey Life, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade eggnog. It's super easy, uses a lot of eggs, and it's so delicious. The first thing you're going to want to do is crack 6 eggs, and you want to save the yolks, but not the whites. So the whites put in a separate bowl, the yolks put into your pot. Now you can make homemade marshmallows with these egg whites, or just do like omelets or anything like that with them. But marshmallows are my favorite way to use the egg whites, and they are healthy and so delicious. After you've cracked 6 eggs into a pot, you're then going to want to add half a cup of sugar. I like Rapadura sugar, or you can use maple syrup. The recipe in my blog does say 3/4 cup, but I've tried to experiment with half a cup, and I think it still tastes really good just using half a cup of sugar. Give it a little mix, and then you're going to pour 3 cups of milk. You're going to add 1 cup of cream. You want to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I always like to add a pinch of salt as well, which I didn't show here. And about 1 teaspoon of allspice, or you can add cinnamon, and start giving it a mix on medium heat. Now you're just going to whisk this on and off pretty thoroughly at the beginning, because you have the egg whites that you want it to get mixed thoroughly. You don't want little chunks of egg whites when it's cooking. Once it starts to heat up and form a little bit of bubbles on top, I turn it off the heat and I let it just keep mixing until it thickens up a bit. This can take about 10 minutes. You don't want it to come to a boil because it will curdle, but you want it to get still quite hot that you start seeing the steam rising. After about 10 minutes, take it off the heat and pour it into your cups. Now, it is quite hot still at this point, so I generally just let it sit and cool. It actually thickens as it cools, or definitely if you put it in the fridge, it thickens up some more. And enjoy! I'll have the article below, the blog post with this printable recipe for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more homemaking, cooking from scratch, and clean living. See you again soon in my next video. Bye!